All right, so for number 9, it says evaluate the series. So I'm going to find the sum of the first 7 terms. And so what I'm doing, I'm actually work this one out without using a formula. And so my first term, and I'm not going to put this in the table, I'm going to do left to right like I did on the board. So my first term is going to be 4 times 1 squared plus 1. So I'm just plugging in 1 to the k. So that's going to be 1 times 4 is 4 plus 1 equals 5. So my first term is 5. And I'm going to pause the video and work out the rest. Alright, so you can see I did the first 7 terms, just plugging in the term number for the variable. So 2 squared is 4, 4 times 4 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17, and so on. 6 squared is 36 times 4 plus 1. And so now, whenever you see the e, that means we're going to add these up. So if we add up these terms, my sum is going to equal 567. Now, if you wanted to do this using the formula. Alright, so if you wanted to do this using the formula, this is the, and I give you the formula, so it's not a big deal. This is the formula used for a constant. So this is the formula I have to use for that 1. And for the k squared, I have to use this formula. And so, and since this is 4 times k squared, it's going to be 4 times this whole thing here. And so my n is 7, and so my n's 7 there, my n's going to be 7 in the formula. So let's take a look here. So this is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15, all divided by 6. And so this right here is taking the place of the k squared, the green, the 4, because that's in front, is there. And now I have to plus the yellow, and so it's just n, which is 7, times my constant, so 7 times 1. And so we're going to work this out here. And so this gives us 4 times 7 times 8 times 15 is 840 divided by 6 plus 7. 840 divided by 6 is 140 plus 7. 140 times 4 is 560. And 560 plus 7 gives us 567. So 567. And you can see that we got that up here. I actually think since it's only 7 terms, I would probably do it this way instead of the formula. Alright, so let's look at an example. Again, try this on your own, pause the video, come back, and then check your answer. Alright, so I just evaluated the formula 5 times and added them all up, and I got 195. If you want to try it with the formula, I'm going to try that next, so pause the video. Alright, so when I use the formulas, still a constant formula in the quadratic. So 5 times 50 gave me 250. Now, if there's no number in front here, so I didn't have to multiply it. That's why there's no number here, like in the other example. So you get 55. 250 minus 55 is 195, which is what we got on the other one.